Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a text editor using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here I will write some words. Suppose I have written Becodewala. So this have written here. So when I change his font, see font has been changed here, and then I will change its color. See, color also have been changed to red, and then I will increase the size. So suppose I want 56 pixel. See, its size got increased. So you can write any text and you can take any types of font. Suppose I selected Times New Roman. See, it is in Times New Roman. So I said Verdana. See, it is in Verdana, and this is Fantasy. So different fonts are there, and different color is here. So and you can select any size. See, you can select any size. So to make text editor like this, we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. So here is my VS Code. So here I have made my HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file. So here I have written the basic structure of my HTML. Here I have linked my CSS file, and then I have taken title text editor. Then I have taken a div with class container, and in this div I have taken the another div with class out, and in this div I have taken another div with id result, and out of this div in this container div I have taken one more div with class form. So in this div I have taken a form tag to make a form. So see, I have taken a label tag and I have written write your text here. I can show you. Here is the label tag, write your text here. You can write your text here. So come to our VS Code. So now I have taken a input tag, and in this I have taken type should be text. It should be in text form and id input. So see, I have taken a input. See, you can give any input to it, and after that come to our VS Code. So we have taken a select tag with id. Before that I have taken a label tag with I have written font style. Here I have written font style in label tag. So here is our font style. Then I have taken a select tag to select the our options. So after that, and in this I have taken id choice. So you can select your choice, and in this I have given many options of fonts. I have given here. You can select these fonts: Courier New, Franklin, Shows, Impact and Trevor and Times, Fantasy, Verena, and Cambria. So these are the fonts you can select here. Here I have given the choice to select these fonts. See, you can select any font. So out of this select tag, I've taken another label tag and here I have written color. So here I have taken the color. So in color I have taken input tag with type color means see I'll show you. See here I have taken the type text. Here I have taken you can write any text. So and here I have taken type color. So here if I click on colors it will give the different color to it. So you can select any color. See its color is changing. So you can select this color. So type should be color and I've taken a ID also color. So after that I've taken a size level. So here I have taken size. So and input tag with type number. It should be in number form and with ID size. So out of this tip I have linked my JS file here. So after writing this much of HTML code, come to our styling means CSS code. So here for all the pages I have taken margin 0 and padding 0. After that I have taken body tag and in this body tag I have taken position absolute and top 50% and left should be 50%. From top it should the body whatever you have taken in that I have taken the top from top it should be 50% and from left it should be 50% its position. So here I have taken transform translate minus 50% from horizontal and minus 50% from vertical so that it should be in center. So after that I have taken my input tag and in this I have taken display should be block. So one by one it should display in block. So then I have taken our class container and here I can show you in my HTML file class container. Here is my class container. So for this I have taken a background color code. So I can show you this background color code. After that I have taken a width 400 pixel and a height 650 pixel. So height of the container this whatever the this full div I have taken for the full div height and width I have taken here. So then I have taken border radius 20 pixel and then I have taken box shadow 4 pixel from horizontal and 4 pixel vertical 5 pixel blur and a color code. So after that I have taken display flex and justify content center. After writing this we come to our form tag. So here in our HTML file here is our class form. So in class form I have taken position absolute and left 50% and transform translate x in x direction I have taken minus 50% and position absolute bottom 20 pixel and width 88%. After this I have taken the class out. So here is our class out. So in class out I have taken width 100%, height 35% and a background color. So after that I have taken margin 10 pixel, border radius 20 pixel and display should be flex. So after that I have taken align item center and justify content center. Then again I have target my input. So here is the I have taken border none, outline should be none, width 30 332 pixel and height 55 pixel and border radius and with margin bottom 10 pixel and font size 25 pixel and padding 0 and 10 from top and bottom and left and right. So then I have taken margin top 10 pixel. Then I have taken my ID color. So here now I am going to target my ID color. I can show you. Here is our ID color. So in ID color, so here I have taken 100 pixel and width and height 40 pixel. Then I have taken my label tag. In this I have taken font family cursive. I can show you. It's in cursive form. See this font family cursive form. So here margin bottom 10 pixel and font size 18 pixel. Then I have taken ID choice. So for selecting our choice, I can show you. Here is our ID choice. So in this I have taken margin top 10 pixel with 100% and height 40 pixel and display should be block, border none, outline should be none and border radius 4 pixel and font size 150%. In our script.js file we have taken a variable result. So in this I have taken document.query selector. So it will select the ID result. I can show you here the ID result. Here is the ID result. Then I have taken for input, I have taken input variable. Then I have selected the ID input. Similarly for select choices, I have taken ID choices. Here in the ID choices, ID input we are calling in our JavaScript file. Then for color I am calling my ID and then for size also. After that I have written here input. So input here is the see here is the variable. I am calling this variable dot on input. If someone input it, then what will happen? So I make a function. In this function result dot html. Here is the result dot html equal to input dot value. Whatever you will give, it will take. So here I have missed semicolon. So whatever we are giving, so it will take the value as inner HTML. So then for font family, how it's change the font family of your text. So for that we have select, see here select variable, then on input when we will input we have made a function that result dot whatever result will be there style we have changing the style dot font family. What the will be the font family? So what will be the font? Select dot value. So whatever we will select, that value will be shown. So I will show you here. Here selecting. So whatever will value will give, it will take this value. If I write Becodewala, so whatever see it's I will give the size with see I will select this value, it will take that value. So for that we have taken. So here now in color, how it change the color? Similarly we have select the color variable, you can see here the variable color. So on input we have made one function result dot style dot color is to do color dot value. So whatever value we will select, it will show. So that now in font size, how it show the font size. So similarly, I will select the size variable on input. What will be the function result dot style dot font size? What will be the font size? So size dot value in pixel. See here it's in pixel. So whatever you will font will give its size, it increase in pixel. So here size dot value, whatever value will give, it will take in pixel. So come to our web page. So here I will write Becodewala. Here it's type. Now I have to select the fonts Times New Roman. Otherwise you can select Cambria. Then here I have to select color. I have selected red. So it had selected. Then I have taken the font size 45 pixel. Here you can increase it. Here you can decrease it. Here you can select the fonts. Like that we have made our text editor, and you can copy it and paste it in your web page. So like that we have made our text editor. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in